Welcome. In this video I want to show you how you can fade to white in Hitfilm Express 12, and it's really pretty easy. All you have to do is yourself a clip. Now you need to go to Effects, right here, Fade to Color. Take it, paste it on the end of your video. Let's hear it out. Let's make the volume smaller. And now when I'm going to color, I want it to be white. Okay. And let's play it. Yep. How easy was that? So this is how you make the fade to color animation effect for your video in a Hitfilm Express 12. If you like this video, you can support me and subscribe. And that's kind of it. Hope you have a blessing day, amazing day. And you can also play with the color. You can choose the black one, the white one, the purple one, the red one, etc. You know how it goes. Thank you all everybody again, and goodbye.